everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we're going to be doing a little bit of a get ready with me, but just on my hair. It's not going to be a first impression because I have already used the product, but we are going to be doing a little bit of a review on the Revlon Salon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. This is pretty much my new all-in-one tool. It is so amazing. I can't wait to show you all. I was just looking for something that can give me pretty much a blowout without having to go get one because your girl is on a budget. Like, look, I can't even get my eyelashes done. Look how sad this is. Anyway, beside the point, I was looking for something that I could almost maybe do like waves with, as well as blow drying, because I don't know if you have ever seen me with a blow dryer. You probably haven't because I never use one since I am so terrible at it. So I just kind of wanted to show you how I utilize this, and maybe this will work for you as well. It does for me. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So this is what it looks like. It is actually a lot larger than I thought it would be. I mean, considering how big the box is, you know, it like barely fits in there. Like, I don't even know how it fit in there. I can't even remember. But I thought it would be a lot smaller. But this is how big it is. You have, so on the back here, you have the off, cool, low, and high option, and you kind of twist it this way. And then you have that Revlon logo there. And this is what the brush looks like. So it has two types of bristles. It has that short one and then the plastic as well. So it's definitely high quality, and you can see there's holes in between here, if it will focus, where the air will blow out. And the cord is also adjustable and it swivels so it doesn't get stuck, which I really like. This retails for, I believe, $59.99. If not, I'll leave it somewhere right here in the description box. And I've seen a lot of other brands, also Revlon themselves, having a cheaper one. But I was like, go big or go home. So I got this one. Also, you know, that's a lot for my budget right now. But I mean, I was thinking if this is gonna work, then it'll be worth it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna take my hair out of this towel here. It's going to be a giant mess, as you can see. So this is my hair when I get out of the shower. Now, it's been in the towel for quite some time, maybe about an hour or so. So it's getting a little dry. However, I'm gonna kind of do my little routine that I've been doing with the brush. So I have this L'Oreal Triple Resist Ultimate Strength Solution. I just use it on the roots and I spray it in there. And then I just kind of get as much as I can. I get it really. And so this is supposed to also volumize and strengthen. So I really like to get a lot on there. And this product is really nice because it doesn't leave like any type of sticky or residue on there. So then from there, I just kind of massage my scalp just to kind of get the product all over. I've been really looking to do some type of scalp treatment. I don't know if you've seen those YouTube videos where people go in, or I think it started on BuzzFeed, where these people went into these salons, but they were just for scalps, and they would have the camera that shows you like in between your roots and all of that. And I think that is like the coolest thing ever. I really want to try it because I wonder like what buildup is in there. So continuing on, I use, this is my all-time favorite heat protectant. It's just the Tresemme heat tamer, and I really go in with this. So I make sure that my hair is pretty much drenched. Because you know what, better safe than sorry. Again, this one doesn't leave a residue either, so it doesn't bother me. But it bothers my boyfriend because when he goes to use the restroom and I'm doing this in the restroom, it's like all over the floor wet. And then lastly, before I start, I just like to use a little bit of these silk drops from the hair shop. Kind of just twist out like this, and I just use 2 to 3 pumps depending, and then I really get it on the ends, and this really makes my ends super soft and silky. So I kind of just run it through a little bit, and you can kind of see my hair starting to tame up without even brushing it. But don't worry, we are going to get there, honey. And then I'm just going to use a brush very gently. I normally use a wide tooth comb, but I don't know where she is right now, so we are just going to get that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and do it in 2 sections. So I'm going to do the top half first, or sorry, the bottom half first, and then the top half. So I'm just going to get half of that up and away. Okay. So it is a little bit loud, and I like to do it on the high setting. There's, like I said, there's off, cool, low, and high. I'm going to start off on high, then work my way to low, and then finish it off with a cool. So I'm going to work in little sections about 1 inch wide. And so I'm just going to twist this onto high, and hopefully you can hear me. I'm going to start from the bottom here. I'm just going to work my way up. And then I'm also going to curl it a little bit. Also too, I like to get at the top here and just kind of hold it there, let it sit, so it really volumizes every single piece. And then again, just gonna swirl the bottom to kind of get that rounded look of a blowout. So this is pretty much just one piece, and you can see how shiny, well, this piece got in the way midway through this piece, but you can see, hello, you can see how shiny my hair looks, and just how smooth it is. Like, it's just, oh, I love it so much. Like, I try to do this every time I wash my hair, or after I wash my hair. I haven't seen any type of damage just because I do use so much heat protectant. Well, I hope that's the case. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of this half, and we'll go ahead and fast forward through it, and then I will check back in with you. Okay, this is pretty much what I get. I'll kind of sit on my foot here so you can kind of see. I just really love it. It's super straight. It's not frizzy. I like the curl at the bottom that gives it that salon look that I look for. And oh, it's beautiful. So, sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder, my mirror, have to, you guys, so sorry for everywhere I'm looking. But yeah, I literally love this so much. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the top and then I'll be right back. This is the finished look. It literally takes max 10 minutes to do, and I just love how silky and not frizzy my hair is. If you know me or seen my hair in person, you know how frizzy my hair can be, and I've never really known how to deal with it. Even when I try and curl my hair out of the shower, even straighten it, I'll still have those little flyaways that I don't see as often when I'm using this guy. So this is my favorite thing ever. I'm so happy I found it, and I really recommend any of you to use this thing, especially if you don't know how to use a blow dryer. I just don't understand the whole using a round brush and blow dryer at once. You've got to get both arms in there, and this really is just so simple. It's as if you're literally just brushing through your hair. So I'm so in love with it. I hope you guys definitely try it out. Especially another thing, this is cool, so like you can literally like pull and like kind of brush this way as well. So I really like the cool tip. Also, the design is not fully circular, so I just want to make that clear as well. So you can see that it's an oval shape, which I really like to just curl in the ends. It's not something crazy. I have seen other brushes that are smaller, circular, that really get that curl, and it's not too much of a curl. It's more of like a wave, but I just like the full-on straight and the curl at the bottom, just because it makes my hair look a lot longer than actually getting it curled in. I've also heard and read from reviews that it works just as well as that Dyson, I think it's 5-in-1 blow dryer. So I definitely recommend using this before anything else. And like I said, the combination bristles are really nice, so it makes it pretty much tangle free. My hair gets very tangly, but I mean, with my hair being so damaged from all the times I've bleached it and chemicals on top of chemicals and heat, I say that this works wonders for at least masking and sealing those split ends as well. Like it's very hard for me to see the split ends. Even when I air dry it, I see it more than actually sealing it in with this and then cooling it at the bottom. So I really love that. Also, it does get very, very hot very quickly. So if you want to be super safe, use the low, but I like it to go a lot quicker, so I do use the high for a majority of it and then go over with cool to kind of seal it in. It's pretty lightweight as well, considering the size of it. So I think that's pretty much all that I can think of as of right now. But like I said, I really recommend it to anyone, especially anyone that is always on the go. You just need something that will make your hair look put together without having to actually style it. So it's definitely #1 on my list. I take it everywhere I go, and I use it after every shower, or at least when I wash my hair. But that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you would like, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below any other things that you want to see from my channel. I definitely want to put out a lot more content this year. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.